down into another tunnel. Here we go, one more time into the cat. Get down deep. This one's a little taller, but wow. Whew. We're coming.
We're camping inside the tunnel.
Yeah, little by little, moving our way down this tunnel. About to turn a corner. Up a little bit. On my knees. Oh. Ah. Here's the exit to another pooch, or this one I believe is, let's see what this one is. We just came from a meeting one. Up we go. Okay. We made it.
Yeah.
Alrighty. And this one is
Dining room.
dining room.
Yeah.
So kitchen.
Kitchen.
So you can move from one to another. Kitchen. Whew. And the exit. And what it looks like here.
Yeah. Eating room. Eating room. Okay.
Oh, and more over here.
Here, kitchen. Cooking.
The kitchen.
But when they cook, the smoke not come outside here. They come far away. They hide in smoke kitchen.
Oh yeah, because otherwise it'd be easy
Yeah.
to see. Oh, smoke coming from here. Let's hit this
Yeah.
place. So yeah, you can see the ventilation tube there, or
Yeah.
they would have the smoke go out and come out from another area.
And move.
Looks like another vent down there. Another tunnel entrance here that's
Yes.
closed off. But wow. A sauna. And up we go and back into the light.
Smoke can come far away. And normally they cook in the morning. So,
Oh, yeah.
They don't give signal to the helicopter come out.
And there it is.
Cook early in the morning.
Smoke comes out and dissipates, so it's hard to note where everything comes from.
Far
You
away
can barely
outside.
see any smoke coming from the building there.
Yeah.
Wow. Whew. Yeah. Sauna. And off.
Okay,
The
so
next spot.
we